Shopee is a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan, providing an online marketplace for buyers and sellers to trade various products. It offers a user-friendly interface, easy-to-use features, and a wide range of product categories, making it a popular choice for both shoppers and sellers. To make money online with Shopee in 2024, follow this step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. Create a Shopee seller account. First, visit the Shopee website and sign up for a seller account. Provide your personal and business information accurately, as it will be used to verify your identity and store. Choose a niche and products. Decide on a specific niche or category of products you want to sell. This could be based on your interests, expertise, or market demand. Research popular products in your chosen niche and find reliable suppliers who can provide high-quality items at competitive prices. Set up your Shopee store. Customize your Shopee store by adding a store name, logo, and banner that represents your brand. Create an attractive storefront by organizing your products into categories and adding high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Pricing and profit margin. Determine the prices of your products while considering factors like production cost, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin. Offer competitive prices to attract buyers while ensuring you make a profit. Shipping and logistics. Arrange for a reliable shipping method to deliver products to your customers. You can either handle the shipping process yourself or outsource it to a third-party logistics provider. Make sure to provide accurate shipping information and delivery times to avoid any disputes with buyers. Marketing and promotion. Promote your products by taking advantage of Shopee's marketing tools, such as coupons, vouchers, and flash sales. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience and engage with potential customers. Consider offering promotions or bundle deals to attract more buyers. Customer service and support. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries, addressing concerns, and resolving disputes. A positive customer experience can lead to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth recommendations, which can help grow your business. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your store's performance by analyzing sales data, customer feedback, and product reviews. Use this information to optimize your product offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies to maximize your profits. Expand your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range, entering new markets, or collaborating with other sellers or influencers to reach a wider audience. By following these steps, you can effectively make money online with Shopee in 2024 and build a successful e-commerce business.